Hello Primary 2 students, this is Miss Stephanie and today we are going to have a fun e-learning classroom about plural nouns. Plural nouns are when we add s or es or ies to nouns. Okay, are you ready? Let's learn about them. Okay, first, plural nouns. Let's start with the simple one. When there are two or more of an object, we call it a plural, if there's two or more. After most nouns, we will just add s, only one letter. For example, a banana becomes bananas, if there's two or more of them. Okay, for example, the single, just one, is a pair. How about if there's two of them, should be pairs. Just add an s for these nouns. But for some nouns, we need to add es. And we need to add es after the nouns that end with o, s, x, ch, and sh, sh. So these are some special endings, o, s, x, ch, and sh. Then we need to add es. For example, a mango, because it ends with an o, then when we want to make plural, we need to add es, so it becomes mangoes. Can you think of any more nouns that end with o? For example, tomato and potato, they also end with o, so need to add es. Or for something like a glass, it ends with an s. So, when we talk about the plural, we need to add es, because the ending is s. Otherwise, there will be three s's, s, s, s. And that's not correct. So remember, you need to add es. And how about for a box? Do you see the ending letter is x? So, of course, we also need to add es to make the plural. A box, two boxes with es. Okay, here are a few more examples. Okay, a peach ends with the ch sound. So, again, we need to add es after this for this plural. Peaches. And bush ends with sh. So, we need to add es also. Bushes. Need to add es. Because these endings, ch and sh, we need to add es. And another thing we do when we talk about plural nouns is if the noun ends with a y, we need to change it to ies. When the nouns are ending in a consonant, that is not a, e, I, or u, and y. For example, a cherry ends with a y, so we need to change the y to an I and then add es, ies. Another example is strawberry, a strawberry. What do you think we need to do? That's right, we need to take away the y and then add ies for the plural. Okay, so these are the rules that you can try to remember. For most nouns, just simply add an s. For nouns that end in o, s, and x, you need to add es. And the same for nouns that end with ch and sh. We need to add es. And then for some nouns that end in a y, we need to change the y to ies. Okay, we're going to have a practice now. So let's see if you can choose the correct answer. You can choose to add just s, add es, or add ies to make the plural. So the first one is tomatoes. Which one do you think? This one, or this one? Okay, give you some time to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the answer is es, tomatoes. Do you know why? Yes, because tomato ends with an o, so we need to add es. Good job. Okay, question number 2. This time just cakes. Cakes. What is the correct ending to make the plural? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Should just be an S. There is no special rule here. Just need to add S to make the plural. Okay, practice number 3. Cherry. How can we say cherries? Just S, ES, or IES? What do you think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. We need to take off the Y and then add IES to make cherries. Very good. Okay, next practice. Now look at the spellings very carefully. So the boy is saying, I like mangoes, but which one is correct? Okay, is it A, B, or C? What do you think? If you said C, good job, you are right. Should be O-E-S, because mango ends with O, so we need to add ES for the plural. Okay, let's try again. Oh, this time the girl likes strawberries. But which sentence is correct? Is it A, B, or C? If you said B, well done. It is I like strawberries with an IES. Why? Because strawberry ends with a Y. So we need to follow the Y rule to take off the Y and add IES. Good job. Okay, finally, another practice. This time the boy likes pears. So do you think the correct answer is A, B, or C? Remember to look carefully and see which one is correct. 3, 2, 1. Good job if you said A. It's correct. I like pears. In this time, we only need to add one S for plural. Okay, good job, P2. If you want to have another practice, you can watch this video again and you can ask your mom and dad to help test you as well. Good job. See you soon. Bye.